to one and all present here. I'm CA Shreya Gupta, Assistant Professor, Parul Institute of Commerce, and I welcome all of you to yet another webinar organized by Faculty of Commerce, Parul University. It's a great pleasure for me to introduce our speaker today, who is going to talk to us about the importance of self-development. Now, this is a subject in which we should all be deeply interested because achieving a dream is just more than about what you accomplish. It's about who you become in the process. Everyone wants to achieve excellence and realize their dreams. Some people achieve their goals easily, while others struggle a lot. What makes the difference is the attitude and self-learning. Sir is here to provide an insight and elaborate on the importance of self-development in helping an individual achieve their goals. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Tushar Redditch. Sir is an international trainer, relationship counselor, inspirational speaker, counselor, mentor, executive business coach, entrepreneur influencer, Vastu expert, brand and image consultant, and also the founder and CMD of Stallion Trainings Private Limited. With more than 18 years of rich experience in the field of global market with some of the leading brands, along with this, he has been conducting workshops and assignments across various domains at global levels in more than 30 countries for Fortune 500 companies, leading business houses, and multinational companies like Reliance Industries Limited, Mercedes, Facebook, Siemens, Tata, L&T, Bank of Baroda, Godrej, etc., covering various industries like FMCG, manufacturing, retail, real estate, healthcare, banking and finance, IT, etc. Sir has shared his knowledge and insights in more than 50,000 programs, having more than 2 lakh participants. His articles and stories have been a part of the cover page of various magazines like The Profism. He has won more than 6 national and international level awards like Most Promising Leader, Gujarat Entrepreneur Award, Best Corporate Trader for Corporate Excellence at Quality Mark Awards, the Golden Star Best Innovative Corporate Trainer Award, etc. He has earned titles or tags for himself such as Most Innovative Corporate Trainer, Relationship Coach, Best Corporate Trainer, Emerging Leader of Tomorrow, Most Promising Business Leader of the Year, the Training Specialist, New Age Guru, etc. We welcome you, sir, and it's a sheer privilege for us to have you here. Please take charge of the session.
Thank you so much. That was a lovely introduction. In fact, after a long time was listening to my introduction. So that really felt good. So you have started the seminar with motivating our trainer. So that's the best thing which can happen in the afternoon. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir. You can start.
So can we proceed? Like, should I take up the session?
Yes, sir, sure.
So first of all, very good afternoon to all of you, and thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share my views and contributing in this current tough time. So today's topic is Share the voice is echoing, like, I mean, it is getting repeated. Is it okay?
It's not getting repeated here, sir, so it's just fine. Your voice is not echoing to us.
Okay, it's coming in double. That's the reason.
No, but it's not coming in double here. So you are sounding
so it's getting
just fine.
repeated.
Yes.
Okay.
Not here,
fine.
sir. Yes.
Fair enough. Absolutely fine. Oh. Okay, so today's topic is very important. The reason why I share this topic is important is because the grooming part which we are talking about and the self-development we are talking about. So let me start with a very powerful message, which I always say that focus on you until the focus is on you. Now, this is a very powerful statement, which with I want to start this entire seminar. I would like to throw some light on some examples and some current situation which is going on. A lot of people ask me, like, why self-development? It's a very small topic. people feel like when we connect with other people. Just give me 1 second. I think there's some issue in the this thing. Just hold on.
No issues, sir.
I'll just try to. So, am I audible here?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Am I audible?
Yes, you're audible.
Okay, fine. We'll go ahead. Let's see if at all anything comes up. We'll try to make any changes here. Okay. So when we started with this seminar and when the topic was given by Shreya, so first of all, I would like to congratulate PU. Parul University is doing a fantastic and phenomenal job in this pandemic, extending the hands, contributing to the best possible manner. It may be monetary or non-monetary in manpower. So that is a great job which has been done by the entire team. So thank you so much for standing by and giving it back to the society. Today's topic, as we are talking about, it is coming into a very big way. In today's time, if you look at the biggest industry which is coming up, that biggest industry is the grooming industry. Now, Shreya, you'll have to give me 1 minute because there is something, the echo which is coming up. Just give me 1 minute, I'll try to connect.
No issues, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, let me try, otherwise, we'll go directly on the cell. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay. I'm audible, but whatever I'm telling, it is getting repeated. So I think there is some challenge in. So I think the.
Yes.
Okay, let us try for 5 more minutes. Otherwise, you'll have to give me maximum 1 minute and I'll just sort it out. Okay.
No issues, sir.
वो कहावत है अच्छे काम में ही विघ्न आते हैं. So it's good that if at all something is getting stuck up, so it's a positive sign because this word is very dangerous in today's time. Still, we will take it in a different way. See, try to connect here. See, try to connect here. Am I audible now here, Shreya?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, fine. So I'll go without the mic only. Great. Am I audible now here, Shreya?
Yes, sir, you're audible.
Okay, fine. So I'll go without the mic only. No problem. So, friends, I'm so sorry that we took a little longer. But like I said, the topic today is very interesting. When people talk about when people talk about grooming, when people talk about a lot of other things. So, friends, I'm so sorry that we took a little longer. But like I said, the topic today is very interesting.
Yes, sir, the voice is getting repeated.
Yeah, exactly. Just hold on. When people talk about lot of
Able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sorry, friends. Now we will not stop no matter come where what, because my slogan of my company is success is inevitable. So it is non-stoppable, unstoppable. So sorry for the promotion of the company, but then when things don't go with the way you want them, you have to come up with something new. Okay, so friends, now we'll go a little non-stop, so there won't be any disturbance or hindrance in this. So friends, the topic which is going today is the grooming part. So normally it is an interactive session, and we always say like why grooming is so important, why this industry is coming up in a big way. So usually it's an open question, but I am not keeping it interactive. So keep your paper and pen and everything ready, because I don't know what I'm going to tell and how it is going to influence in your big way. The beauty of training or beauty of this industry is what one single statement, what one single example or a case study or one line can actually change the entire course of someone's life. You have no idea in the wildest of your dreams. So just be on your toes and just see to it that you take the maximum out of this seminar. So what I'm trying to share today is, when I say why this industry has become such a huge industry. So I have one question for everybody. Like before people, no matter how talented you are, no matter how great you are, no matter you are the master of the universe, but before people go ahead with you, they see you, they feel you, fine, they judge you, they take that feeling in which like whether this person is able to go ahead with us or not, or whether that green signal is coming to us or not. So when I tell you and when I share about like the green part, so this grooming is all about giving a green signal to the other person, like how actually you march forward and how actually you go ahead in others' life. So if I ask some few people and they talk about like the self development, why self development is important? We started with a very powerful note, like focus on you until the focus is on you. So why this statement is important? Because everybody wants success, everybody wants to travel the world, everybody wants that big corporate should call them, everybody wants big clients, big money, but they don't know the tools. They don't know the prerequisites. Everything has got some prerequisites. If you really look forward to get something in life, you have to work for it. So if I give you a best example, there is one of my favorite lines. Like everybody wants the prize. Okay, everybody wants the prize, but nobody is ready to pay the price. Now this is one statement which has actually influenced me also a lot. I have seen people who have actually given their 100%, their entire life, but the reward which they got against it, like they could have not achieved in their personal life also. Let me quote with two examples here. We have got some domestic help at our place, in few of my friends' place. Now that person, when he had turned up and when he had come down to a place, he was like not even educated. Nothing was there. Only one quality which he had was dedication and sincerity. And he was so committed, like he was so committed that he was working in a surrender state of mind. So he has left his home. There was no family life. The entire family was there because the home was not that comfortable like they could put everybody here. But no holidays, nothing. And when he had sacrificed that, that family had taken up the entire responsibility of the marriage of their children, education of their children, and definitely now all of them. One of them is the aeronautical engineer today, and he's working in one of the very good company. One of them is right now settled down. You won't believe, in Canada, Ontario. So now, even if this person would have studied, and even if this person would have gone that extra mile and got, he would have not settled their children in this way. Now, why this example? When we talk about grooming, when we talk about self development, there are a lot many aspects which come into picture. So I'll start with three major points. Number one, definitely the outer appearance comes, but along with outer appearance, the most important part in grooming is your attitude. See, there's always a saying that life is 10% what happens to you, and 90% is how you take it and how you respond it. Okay, so stop overthinking, stop doing things. Your attitude is something which should be a part of your personality. Fine, it will reflect in everything you do. I'll give you an example. Like people get angry a lot of times. I always say that whatever is inside, that will spill out. Okay, if you have tea in a cup of tea and if at all you get a small jar, then the coffee won't get spilled out because there's tea in the cup. So whatever is inside, whatever is within, that will actually come out. So your personality comprises of lot many things. You should have enough patience. You should have enough of your knowledge. You should have enough of your vision, so that you go and you come to know how you actually tackle things in life. I'll come to one of the most important aspects. That is the first part which I'm talking about. When we talk about outer appearance, it's not always important. Sorry, it's not always important that you should have a branded clothes or something. Start with small things. Your clothes should be ironed. Your clothes should not be torn out. Your clothes should not be faded out. There should not be any kind of stains on the clothes. When you look about your outer appearance, there are many aspects in that. So I'm just trying to touch base few of them. Your face value is also important. Few people I know nowadays, the saloons, men's saloon are more booming than the female one. So there we have actually in competition with you. But believe me, friends, they are also minting money. So this consciousness has come earlier. Earlier in the sense, I'm talking about the festival season. It may be Navratri or it may be New Year. I have seen people and my friends, they are hitting the saloon and say, okay, some facial and all. But nowadays it's a 24/7 thing. When they have got packages every 2 days, 3 days, every week, they are in the parlor. So why this grooming is helping them? Somewhere they have understood the value of face value. Okay, a good haircut, a good face value. There are few of my friends, and I've seen a lot of people who are now keeping beard. Based on them, thanks to them, they have actually promoted a new profession. Now you can find beard studios, and you can actually pamper your beard. You can go, so you can imagine how deep people can go. I'll share one incident which I came across few days back. I was just passing by. I'm not able to remember the name of this, but it was in Vasna Road or somewhere. So I saw a nail studio, right? An exclusive nail studio. Can you imagine that? Right? And there were so many things which were offered there. And believe me, friends, there were people standing queued outside. Fine, I could make it out from that. Now, why I'm sharing this with you? When a nail has got no importance in our entire body, but yes, definitely it is contributing. But a nail part which is not even considered, people are doing business in that. People are grooming that part also. So you can imagine when it comes to self development, when it comes to your own one, so a lot of things come into picture. If you want to keep a beard, make sure that it is trimmed properly, and make sure it is managed properly. Even if you're keeping a haircut, make sure that it suits your personality. Now, when I talk about personality in the sense, it suits your body, it suits the way you are carrying yourself. Most important part, you should be comfortable. Maybe I am comfortable in a blazer. Some people are comfortable in a koti. Some people are comfortable in a jhumka. Some people are comfortable in studs. Make sure that you are having a signature in that. So when we talk about grooming and self-development, now this is something you're dressing, which plays a very vital role. I remember this advertisement of Indigo Nation. You guys can Google it out. So that always says that dressing and dress always matters. So there were people who were partying, there were people going in formals, and that person was an Air Force officer. So when he had actually to get into the plane, so his entire wardrobe got changed. That's how the message goes. You have to dress according to the occasion. Now, why it is very important? I have seen people who have a common dress code for everything. You meet them in the morning, they will have the same. You meet them in the evening, you'll have the same. You meet them in a party, they are having the same. And they're so proud of it. That's hey, this is my style. Actually, that's not a style, friends. Let me be very honest in that. ये इनका आलस है. Okay, they are lazy enough that they don't want to change anything. They don't want to upgrade their clothes. They don't want to upgrade their haircut. They don't want to upgrade the trousers and blazers and watch and kurtis. So my simple take from today's session will be like, now your entire wardrobe should be your favorite. You should not have one single favorite. Whatever you choose, whatever you buy, whatever you invest in, whatever you shop, from today, that has to be your favorite. So even if you just close your eyes and pick anything, it happens to be by default your favorite. Okay. So make sure that now from today onwards, everything you are getting into, it has to be your favorite. Now, when we talk about the colors and the occasion, now occasion it's not like about the kurta and this. When we're talking about the development part, when we're talking about the grooming part, apart from the appearance, you should have a soothing personality. Now, personality has many traits. When I talk about many traits, apart from dressing, the dressing should match your speech also. The speech power is equally important. If you don't talk to people, if you don't respond to people in a efficient way, people take you for granted, and the non-verbal message which goes is like this person is not caring enough to respond back. This person is not caring enough, and he is not a good manager. Sometimes we come up with excuses like I've got a lot of WhatsApp messages, a lot of apps have come up, a lot of other things have come up where you can manage your WhatsApp messages. You can filter it out from the promotion one. You look at the Google part, you look at the Gmail part. There's promotions, there is advertisements, there's transactional, and there's a personal, and then there's so when people are doing it on your behalf, you as an individual person, you should be in a position to do that as well. When we talk about the self development or when we talk about the grooming part, so there are six aspects which I would like to pen you down, which makes the most. Number one is what impression, what mark you make in the industry or in the market or in a personal and professional life. That will be judged and monitored by the way you behave in the public. आपका आचरण, आपका व्यवहार, ये सारी चीजें बहुत मायने रखता है जब आप किसी के साथ डील करते हो, किसी के साथ बात करते हो. How much patience you are having. Second, to understand what is going on. Now, this is where 9 out of 10 people fail. Let me be more specific in giving you some examples. Sometimes we just enter the group and we start talking, okay, without understanding whether we are supposed to contribute, without understanding we are supposed to invite, without understanding whether we are supposed to talk, whether we are asked for the advice. Sometimes you have to be a very good listener. Okay, this is also a part of your personality. Sometimes you just don't have to talk, you just have to listen, take the knowledge, and use that knowledge and talk somewhere else. Now, this is something which people fail in maximum time. There is a community, there is a program, or there is a league where you are supposed to be there, but at the right time. You cannot go and play a match without a net practice. If you do so, your body will pain and you won't be able to perform to the best of your ability. You need to do that net practice, and that is done either in the friends or in some other seminars or webinars or these kind of opportunities which you get where you actually try to convince. Fourth most important part which comes is your network. Now, friends, why network is important in sales development? It always says that a man is known by the company he keeps. Now, when I say a man is known by a company he keeps, in the sense, if I give you one example, if I give you a simple M or W, which is put in a reverse way, you might be having your own specifications, or you might be having your own preconceived notions. Okay, this might be a McDonald which is put on a halfway. You might be say, okay, McDonald is given. You might say it is a W, but the moment if I just draw one more line near that W, that becomes a B, right? So now what happens is if I place A and C in right and left, it will be much easier for you to identify, yes, this is a B. Otherwise, individually, you were coming up with all kind of options. Okay, this might be this might be that. So when you have people around you, people along with your other personal, they actually start identifying you. Okay, okay, this person is moving with this guy, and these are like-minded people, and these people are actually looking forward to go ahead. People only go ahead with you in two things. Number one, either you are reliable, and number two, if you are an expert. These are the two categories which are making money and which are having and which have tested success in their personal life and professional life. And to become an expert, you need to practice a lot. So when we talk about other aspects in which we are coming in this current time, is you need to have a helping hand. See, when I say you need to have a helping hand, you should be in a position to help people. But for that, you have to become capable. Until unless you are capable, until unless you are not in a position to help out other people, your personality is not getting to the best of its out. I'll tell you why. I have a lot of money, but if I'm not helping people, people don't know me. Look at people who are helping people; they are getting a lot of recognition, lot of respect, and lot of kind of limelight in the market. But that is not actually connected to business. That is connected for you. If you don't have that self contentment, if you don't have that self satisfaction at the end of the day, for whatever you're doing in life, then it is a big loss to all of you. When I talk about contentment and self-content, that means some these feelings are which makes you feel better from inside. And when you are better from inside, there is a small saying in Gujarati, "Ki kuવામાં હશે તો હવાડામાં આવશે." That means if there is water in the well, then only you can fetch it out from some other external source. So when we're talking about the personality part, number one which comes is you have to be happy from inside. If you're not pleasant, if you're not happy from inside, if you're not pleasant, if you keep on complaining, if you have grudges, and if you keep on, complaining in the sense if you keep on repeating what you're not happening with you and you're not satisfied, these all things reflect back outside in the personality, and people stop connecting with you. People stop spending time with you. Let me throw some light on you in one of the best example which I have with me. There was one person who was very negative and he was having a lot of problems in his life. So somebody recommended to go to a guru or somebody. He said, like, go and talk to him. Let's see if at all you can come out of all this. So he went to a guru and he said, like, what do you want me to do? You tell me. He said, okay, fine. Take this. There are three conditions. Like, number one is you will not ask me questions. Number two, you will do exactly what I say. And number three, if you're not comfortable, you just tell I quit, and then only I'll be able to give you answer. But you have to ask only one question. And this person was very comfortable. He said, okay, fine. Let's see if I can come out of all this. So this goes to the guru, and the guru says, okay, fine. Take a glass of water, put one entire tablespoon of salt in it, and consume it. He puts it and he starts consuming it. But after some time, he raises his hand. He says, oh, I can't consume this. I said, fine, no problem. You can just come ahead with me. So he takes him little ahead. When he goes down there's a river which is flowing. He says, please repeat the same exercise. He says, put that 1 tablespoon of salt in that river and just put it inside and try to consume the water. And he does that. He said, are you able to consume it? He said, yes, 100%. He said, do one thing, double the amount. Put 2 tablespoons of salt and now try to drink the water. He said, okay, then. He does that. He again consumes. He said, absolutely fine. The water is very pure, very sweet. He said, again, double the amount. Put it 4, put it 6, 8. And he keeps on repeating for as many times as is possible, and close to 100. But he was still able to consume the water. And then he said, okay, fine. Now I want to answer the question. Now I'll quit this. I'm getting a little bit, but now my question is, what was the difference? The difference was you will have negative people, negative thoughts, negativity all around you. It's all up to you when it comes into you and how far it is actually affecting you. If your positivity is more than that glass, and if you are as vast as that river, no matter how much negative things and emotions and people put it in you, you will be still consumable. You will still be absorbed by the society, market, industry, and the business community. But if you are having a little mindset, and if you have just like that glass of water, so even if 1 small tablespoon of salt, nobody will be able to consume that water. That water is waste. So make yourself so wide, so huge. Your connectivity should be global. Now people are going global. People sitting in one corner of a small village and they are connecting to 64 countries. That is something which still gives me goosebumps. So you can imagine, like, if this can happen, and if you have tools, this is the 5th part which I'm going to talk about. If you have tools and resources, just imagine how far you can go. Most important part is how do you actually utilize these tools and connect. If you have everything with you, but if you are still not able to make the most out of it, then nobody can help you. There's a saying like, if you're born poor, it's not your fault. But if you die poor, it is definitely your fault. So what happens in this entire time duration is, like, when you are actually talking to people, when you are actually connecting with them, your knowledge, your personality, your dressing, the way you behave with them, then the way you give them service, and the most important part, the way. This is the 6th and the most important part, which is actually the first one, but I'm taking it in the last, is your relationship management skills. Now, this is a very integral part of one's personality. You'll find a lot of people in this pandemic who have called up and say, okay, I just called up to ask you, how are you? You won't believe that one call has actually revived and rejuvenated the entire relationship. Now, you can imagine the power of relationship. If one call, if one message, without any work, can actually take you to the next level. So you are able to understand, like, if you actually take care of the relation and if you nurture it, it's as simple as that. When you actually put up a small tree or a small thing in a pot, what do you have to do? You have to put sunlight. You have to make sure you're putting the khad, you're putting water, you're keeping it. So this relationship is just like that. You have to maintain the relationships. You have to nurture them. You have to ask them timely. You have to meet up. You have to talk to them. Not necessarily the money is involved in this. You can always connect with technology. You can always drop into the place, have a cup of tea. You invite them to your place. You can go to their place. Take care of their special days, anniversary, birthdays, maybe their opening day or a founder day. That will actually give them a feeling of self-boosting. Believe me or not, friends, but everybody loves to be pampered in this world. It's not only about girls, or it's not only about kids, parents, friends, wife, husband. Everybody loves to be pampered. So if you add this entire small pinch of appreciation, believe me, your personality will be having a different wavelength. So when I tell about the different wavelengths, a lot of people ask me, India and abroad, when I conduct these kind of seminars, like, how do we come to know whether our personality is different? So I always give them one concrete answer, and which is universal everywhere. That when these traits, whichever I shared with you right now, if these things come up, if these things start coming up, it will come across, it will go across. You will automatically start feeling it. You will have that confidence which will be imbibed in you. So confidence is something which will only come from achievements and response and feedback. When people will start actually accepting you, and when people will start inviting you, And now comes the innovative part. When they actually start inviting you, make sure that you're a little innovative there. Try to contribute as much as you can. Now, when I talk about contribution, it is not about the monetary part. Contribution leads to what actually problems. Now, this is a little one level up, which we are going right now. Contribution is literally like what is going on in their life and how you can influence their life. Now, this is very important. Every time you don't have or people to approach you, few people who help others, they are only who are observing and they come to know about their problem or their pain area and they try to contribute in the way. Number one, giving the right guidance and the right contact. Please contact this person, he or she might take you out of this. Number two, if you are in a position, just extend that help, your hand, and just forget it. That relation will be the strongest relation which will you have, and that will give you a self boosting in your personality. Okay, yes, now when I was in a position to help people, I started helping people. So that will take you to the different league. One more part which I would like to highlight here to especially students who are studying right now. Make sure that you are a subject matter expert. See, knowledge takes you to places. If you become a subject matter expert, let's say if you want to, if you call me tomorrow, any of you, and say, "Sir, I have a problem in my, I need an expert in that." And if I give you a number, let's say Shreya is driving a Mercedes, and if she gives me a call and says, "I need an expert," I give her a number of an expert, but that actually person is a doctor. So she will immediately give me a call. She will say, "Okay, I needed an expert, but I needed an automobile expert, not a medical expert." So in your personality, make sure that your conversations are crisp, to the point, specific. Because when we are talking about grooming is what? It is like sharpen the saw. Every time you talk and meet people, they need to see your different versions. If you are on the same page every year of the same book, then people won't be able to go ahead with you and they won't read you. You need to turn the page, you need to be on the next page every year. And that's what growth is all about. Growth is not always about monetary. Growth is about what kind of people you are surrounded with, what kind of businesses or what kind of job you are associated with, what kind of things you have achieved there, what kind of profile you are into, how good and how big responsibilities the corporate or the organization or the industry is putting upon you. Where are you invited in? Whether you are participating in the global platforms or not, whether you are contributing in the way where you are actually connected. See, there's a saying like if a king is outside his kingdom for a longer time, he loses his kingship. Right? It's very important that you have to go along with the trend. Few people they might have this question normally like, "Well, we don't have that innovative skills and we are not trending." Fine, even if you're not able to initiate something, at least follow the trend. A lot of people today are there, they are not comfortable. Still, after 1 year, they say we are not comfortable online. So there's a saying, either change or perish. So if people who are not comfortable, it's a good sign that they'll perish soon. और वो जाएंगे तो दूसरों की जगह खाली होगी and there will be more deserving people will be coming and sitting there. Okay. So make sure that you make your mark, leave your mark in whatever you do, whatever you are doing right now. Have a futuristic and vision. Now, when I talk about vision, which is the most important element in one's personality, why you have to work so hard on yourself? Because you cannot keep on working for lifetime. You need to have money, you need to have prestige, you need to have that a kind of invitations from the worldwide level. So for that, you have to start working. Why people will call you? Your why has to be very much clear. Give them 1, 2, 3, 4 reasons why they will go ahead with you. Give them 1, 2, 3, 4 reasons why they can connect with you. Give them 1, 2, 3, 4 reasons why they can rely upon you. And for that why, you need to work very hard on yourself. So industry experience, the network, the people, your knowledge, your personality, your development, your grooming, your dressing, and now the best part which is coming is the timing. Sometimes what happens is, I've seen people at night, 12 o'clock also, they're moving in their blazers. Sometimes I used to laugh, but now I understand that that's just signature. The timing is very important in the market, like how people know you. You must have seen a lot of advertisements, and Prahlad Kakad, who is one of the ad guru, you'll always find him in a hat. Initially, people used to laugh, but now when you talk about hat, the first name which comes to their mind is them. So this is something which is very important. Groom yourself in a way where anything you do or whatever you have, it becomes a part of your personality. Okay. So timing Grooming is like your personality or your tips or your things which are there with you. They are not to be exhibited at all the time to everywhere. I would like to share very important message here, which is to be taken in a very different way. Little difficult to understand, but I'll just try to put it little crisp. Again, coming back to Gita, which is a very important book, or which is a very important part of our life. The life lessons from Gita are still contributing in one's life to come out of their problems. So there was one incident which happened where Rukmini had asked Sri Krishna, Sudama had asked Sri Krishna, "Listen, you are so powerful, you are in so many things, like you can get things just like that. So why so many? इतने सारे रूप क्यों हैं आपके? मतलब why so many? Like you can always go home and you can always say मैं श्री कृष्ण हूँ and मैं पूरी दुनिया चलाता हूँ, पूरे ब्रह्मांड मेरे पास है and all these things." So there Krishna had given a very valuable advice, and which is something, if you can establish a connectivity with your grooming and development, that would help a lot, which I am still trying to do that. So he says, like, I have my wife Rukmini, and if I go home, I cannot go home with a tag of Sri Krishna and, like, who is the mentor and who is taking care of the entire universe. I cannot go home to my mom with a, a message or with a tag of my Lord Krishna. वहां मुझे कहना बन के जाना पड़ेगा, तुमसे मिल रहा हूँ तो सखा बन के मिल रहा हूँ, राधा को मिल रहा हूँ तो राधे करके मुझे मिलना पड़ता है. I am the same person everywhere, but I cannot meet with that. Now, I'm not comparing, because Lord Krishna is almost everywhere, but I'm comparing, I'm giving you an example with my own. If I go home with a tag of an international trainer, training specialist, 6-time award winning and all, it's not like I won't be welcomed at home. But at home, these people have got nothing to do with this. They want Tushar as a person who is loving, who is caring, who is taking care of everybody, who is gelling with them, who feels himself at home, and he is not kind of pretending anything. I cannot go to my client with a say, "अरे sir, you and me are very good friends. We had a cup of tea. अब इसमें क्या देखने का? आप बोल दो कब करना है session." I cannot be casual with my clients. There I have to follow the protocols. There I have to follow all kind of prerequisites. There I have to go by the listing, because the company and the people have their own limitations. So why this example? You are having the best of your personality, but when you are actually, you have to understand where you are going. The target audience, the people with whom you are targeting, you have to be very conscious that you don't actually portray a different image where it is not required. When I'm with my friends, they sometimes make fun of me, but I'm sure there's nothing in their mind. But they are all my genuine friends. They say, "Arey sir, we now amongst us is our international trainer." So once and twice it was okay, but third time, one of my friends who was a good friend of mine, he immediately got into the conversation. He said when he comes to meet us, it's not only about the dressing part. He's never in blazer. He's always in a t-shirt, a good casual watch, a good this thing, and sipping a cup of tea with us, just like everybody. So he is not coming to meet us with a tag of that international grooming person. He comes as a person, like as a friend. I talk casual things. I meet with them. I do a lot of things. So why I'm sharing all this with you is, make sure that you do not portray your image at a wrong time, at a wrong person, in the wrong place. Now this will come with a little bit of experience and a little bit of time, but keep that in the subconscious of your mind. I hope this story and which the experience which I've shared with you would definitely help you. Last but not the least, why we require money? Now, very important question, and very the people who are very eager to listen to this answer. We all have our limited kind of requirements. Still, we require money every now and then. So my very simple answer to all of you is, we require money for only one thing: to upgrade yourself. I can still use a small phone. I can still use a non-smartphone. I can still, but the day 5G is launched, my 4G phone is out. When I go and talk to people, I need speed. So I need to upgrade my phone. So my phone is perfectly fine. I'm taking care of all my resources, but it is getting outdated. So I need to earn enough so that I keep up with the gadgets. I keep up with the thing. Your clothes should also be upgraded. Okay. Whatever is coming in the market, and there are a lot of sales which are going on. You can always hit the showrooms and you can get it. Now the online stuff is also getting great offers. Please back them. Along with that, what is trending, go along with the trend. Make sure that you are amongst the top people in the industry. I'm not giving you any kind of tips of becoming number one. It's not important to become number one. What is important is you are amongst the league where everybody is a successful people and they are running the show on their own. It may be top 10, top 20, top 100 or top 1000, doesn't matter. There is a huge population worldwide. And if you are able to make it a mark just because of your self-development and your grooming, I think nobody will be able to stop you. And once you get into this league, once you start doing it, then the best part, which I'm taking at the last, is the icing on the cake, is experiment. Start experimenting with your looks. Try highlights, try going little different, try going bold, try using new dressing, try changing your car, try changing your sales, try getting into the attitude where you're helping people, throw some parties, invite some proper people, get a new mission, try to open up a foundation, start contributing. If you're not able to do that, connect with some people who are doing a fantastic job, support them. Your charm, your goodwill, and your celebrity personality will help them to grow, and they will remember you for life. So these are small tips which I'm saying. Last but not the least, which I shared about, is upgrading is very important. Right? Upgrading, you have to have that vision. Yeah, after 2 years, 3 years, I'll be requiring this money to upgrade my and list down the accessories. Lastly, we have 10 minutes. I would like to take up any questions if at all you guys have. You can put it in the chat box, and I think Shreya can share that with me. And last 5 minutes, I'll be giving you top 10 tips of grooming, which will be definitely a part and synopsis of what I shared right now. But these top 10 tips, which will be your trump card for your success in life. So, Shreya, over to you. If anybody has any questions, we would love to answer them.
Yes, sir. So I've got a few questions from my
Wow, that's
students.
great.
Now,
Great.
so when I introduced you, all of them heard that you are a Vastu expert also, and you believe and
True.
you have some knowledge of numerology also. So now see,
Right.
in these times, a lot of people are struggling with a lot of things, be it their relationship, be it their jobs, be it their careers, be it their studies. And when we struggle, when we have some problems, we take help of other aspects of science or other aspects of religion also, like numerology or
Right.
astrology. So
Right.
one of my students have just asked me that if you can share some tips, like how numerology can help us in our lives, and maybe what things we can keep in mind which are actually very
Okay.
effective.
True. Okay. So, like I said a little bit right now, also, like as a subject matter expert, you need to contact a person who is a subject matter. Definitely, it can be me or anyone else. So, numerology and Vastu is a very vast subject. But what are the things you can take care of right now? I'm also an NLP expert, so I'll just tell you the neuralistic part. Whatever your brain and the mind can conceive, believe, there are higher chances of happening. So that's the reason what people do is like you have to think what you want. Numerology is also it's a science. It's not a magic. Vastu is also a science, but it has clubbed with a lot of religion and all. So what happens is when I talk about these things, you have to take care of few things. You have to maintain the cleanliness, make sure that you are having some tools which are there with you. Numerology, you have to take in consideration four things. Your name, your alphabets and your numbers, they have to match. If you have seen the celebrities and people who are there, they add up one or two names, maybe a extra A or a extra R. Now, why that extra A and extra R is there? Now, everybody, they can just put down their name, choose your alphabet, let's say A, B, C, D is there, put out that number and just try to club up that number. If that number is getting, if that number is getting clubbed up with your birth date, then there is a time to change. You either subtract one thing or you can add up one more thing. Fine. So that's the reason one A is removed or one A is added. Okay. So that is one in the numerology part. Apart from the number game, numerology, it's very important that on what dates you are working. Now what happens is a lot of times whenever we get time, we start doing the thing. See, no matter how advanced हम कितने भी आधुनिक हो जाए, and when no matter how big we go, no matter 21st century, 22nd century comes, but there are certain things which still exist and we believe in. There's always a right time. You look at the best and of the people in the industry, they still believe in muhurtas. They still believe in kals. कि हम ये काल में ही ये काम करेंगे. It may be Ambani, it may be Bachchan. They will not do any part at any time. Look at our mission which has gone in the space. They are also taken the Murat in that. So science is playing a vital role, but उसके साथ साथ ये भी important है. So your name, just a few tips to all the students who have asked. आपका name के alphabet देख लो. Let's say if your name is Shreya, S H R E Y A. So A is one, why is like it's coming last. So you have to take which number it is coming, add those numbers. If that number which is added up, which is coming along with a birth date, then you need to add or subtract one name, maybe SHREE or double S. So you have to make sure that that number is not overcoming your birth date. Along with that, numerology has got two interesting aspects. Do big things, some things which are on your number which is favoring you. Every human being, every birth date is favoring a number. Everybody has got that lucky number. If you look at MS Dhoni, it is 7 number. You look at his T-shirt, you look at his anything, it's going on 7. These people follow these rules very religiously. So that is one. And for Vastu, I'd like to put one more tip. If you are really looking forward for Vastu, and if you are really looking forward for going ahead, and in this pandemic, if you are really looking forward to come out, try to use which is in the Ayurveda part, which is having every three things. Very quickly, I'm taking it. One is the aroma part. Make sure wherever you are staying, it may be office, home, or in a car, your aroma has to be great and it has to be fresh, lingering, and not necessarily always a spray. Try to use fresh flowers. One of my favorite is Rajnigandha. You'll always find Rajnigandha at my office, at my home, in my car. Jasmine is there, Mogra is there. Yes, it is costly, but always look at the results. Okay, always look at the outcome. When you sit, leave some time, and then when you enter, look at what is happening. One is aroma in numerology as well as in Vastu. Second, the most important, along with the aroma, is the entrance or wherever you are entering. Make sure that entrance is, it's finely done every day. Okay, try to use some good murals, try to put up some good welcome notes, try to upgrade the accessories, a good doormat, fresh doormat, have some good plants, and see the difference. And third, along with, is the sound. Now sound is so important. A lot of people, I don't know how nowadays whether people are using wind chimes or not, but it is still trending, but it should have a soothing sound. Okay, make sure that you are having some good nature or some sound which is always some light music, and preferably a instrumental and not a lyrical. So that will keep on giving you a soothing effect. And this will, once you start doing this, I'll be more than happy if you can share feedback. Believe me, friends, the difference will be very magical. You will see the difference in your life very easily. And through this platform, I would also like to share one more thing, as Shreya has initiated, that not only the Vastu expert and the numerology part, we have also started a small initiative on my Facebook page, as well as I'll be putting it today, and as well as you can also put it up. Anybody is having any problem in terms of as a relationship counselor, it may be husband wife, it may be girlfriend boyfriend, it may be two brothers going to the court, or it may be a generation gap, depression, anxiety, um, and any kind of suicidal things. Please contact me. Believe me, I'll take the hell out of it, and I'll make sure that I motivate you to such an extent that you will start motivating people. Fine. So don't go that extreme step. Everything is going to be fine, because this statement which I'm giving you right now, which will open up your mind, that change is the only thing which is constant in this world. So this will also change. So don't give up, friends. It's just a matter of time. Even I am having that patience. You can also keep that patience. I'll give you tools how it can help you out. But before you take that any extreme step, please contact me. Please bother me. Please trouble me. I would love to get troubled here. But don't go to that extreme step. कभी भी लगते हो हताश हो कुछ भी हो, not only for Parul University students, it's open to all. Feel free to put a small message. Believe me and my team will come back to you immediately. Right? And that is absolutely free of cost. The best part, I'm not charging anything for that. What do you say?
Yes, sir. So I think if you talk about Vastu and numerology, it's more about how we feel, and maybe that reflects in our relationships and in
Absolutely.
the way that we work anywhere. So I think I'm definitely going to try those things. And sir,
Please do.
you were going to share some last tips.
Yes.
So
So
please
I'm giving you
share.
top 10 tips about grooming and self
Yes.
development, which will like it has to be there handy in your hand, and it has to get registered in your subconscious mind. So number one is make sure you dress to kill. Your dressing has to be excellent whenever you step out of your home. Don't worry whether you're going for a cup of tea or you're going for a university presentation. You never know who is going to meet you outside. So make sure that whenever you step out at your best look. Number two, upgrade yourself, get new clothes, get new orders as per your budget, but keep on shopping, keep on trying new things. Number three, make sure that whatever you wear, whatever you carry yourself, it should suit you and you have to be comfortable in that. In fact, even if it is trending but it is not suiting you, please don't go ahead with it. If it suits you, then and only then you go ahead with that. Along with that, the most important part, fifth number, is that shoes. I don't know whether you're aware of this or not, but shoes are the first thing which are noticed by anyone in the whole world. मुझे भी बहुत देर से पता चला, and today I have a good pair of shoes, around more than 40 pair of shoes. And my personal advice to all of you is, whenever you have a big occasion, please don't polish your shoes. Get a new pair of shoes. Your footwear is the first thing which is getting noticed. And you don't know that if at all that doesn't go well with the person, you are out. That feeling is very different which goes ahead. And if you're fortunate enough, you'll come to know that yes, you have got noticed. And then if you go to buy, there's no point in crying on the split milk. So make sure that keep some money aside for the special occasion. Make sure that you have a good pair of shoes. Most important after that, sixth one is your attitude. Now, when I say your attitude is like, don't get angry, don't frustrate, don't gossip, don't curse, don't abuse people, government, and circumstances every now and then. एक बहुत अच्छी कहावत है कि हंसने वाले के साथ पूरी दुनिया हंसती है, लेकिन अगर आप रोते हो तो आपको अकेले रोना पड़ेगा. So if you keep on cribbing, if you keep on complaining, if you keep on cursing people, what will happen is like they won't be anywhere that you people stand you. Okay. So कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि as a attitude, as a be happy, be pleasant, make sure that people love to spend time with you. Make sure that you are always charming, you are always pleasant, you are smiling, you are happy. Everybody has a problem. Now there's a difference in the real life and the real life. Everybody has problems, but people don't highlight them. So keep your problems with yourself. Try to solve out. Try to focus on the solutions. And like I always say, that if you are not able to solve your problems, meet people who can solve your problems. Talk to them. Get ahead. And like I said, like we have one of the other things, which is the last part, which I'm giving in the tip, is have a mentor, have people, have friends, have a network, have a community, have a support system. So in future, if at all this kind of pandemic again, if it comes up, you have somebody who is helping you financially, who has somebody helping you personally, professionally, emotionally. Believe me, friends, if you have one person in life and if he or she says, forget about the nomenclature part, it may be wife, girlfriend, friend. They say, okay, I'm always there with you. Let me know when can we talk. You can give me a buzz any given point of time. I'm always there to listen to you. Even if he or she is not able to solve your problem, you can't imagine the mental level, the relief that you have. This thing will be only experienced. That's the reason which I gave the last tip, was that strengthen your relationship. Very integral part of one's personality. Your circle, your friends, your personality, like-minded. Surround yourself by people like who are like-minded, who talk about positivity, who talk about development, who talk about growth, who talk about fighting back. So when you have these kind of people around you, believe me, nobody would commit any suicide. And I'll be the happiest person as a counselor, like if I don't have any clients for any depression, suicidal tendencies, and anxiety. I'll be more than happy doing trainings. And this is where I want that I don't want any clients. This is my pray for the entire world. That when you have people around you, you don't require counselors. Yeah. And we have one initiative called Trusha Talks. That's a campaign called Talk to Trusha. So anytime if you feel like anything, Trusha Talks is launching very soon. Which is I'm the founder for that. So the campaign is Talk to Trusha. Regarding anything, you want to talk to me, feel free to drop a message on Facebook, Insta, Twitter, personal message, and I'll come back to you. So talk to Tushar is like, before you go an extreme step, before you take any negative, before you do something which is not supposed to be done, please talk to me. I can definitely help you out. And believe me, it's been more than 18 years I'm in the industry. I can definitely add value to your life. Thank you so much, Shreya.
Thank you so much, sir. So I am also reading a book, and in that I read a very beautiful quote.
Yeah.
It says, "Love each other or perish."
Okay.
So I think
Oh, that's nice.
if we love each other, I don't think there'll be any kind of problems in our lives.
True.
Thank you so much, sir. I thank you on behalf of Parul Institute of Commerce. It was great to have you here. You shared such wonderful tips. And I am sure that my colleagues, my friends, and my family members, all of them who were watching this session, they'll definitely take something out of it and we'll implement in our lives and make our lives better. Also, I really like and appreciate the program that you're beginning now, the Tushar Talks, and I think it's going to touch many lives. And I think we also, because we all are influencers in some or the other ways, our profession is such that we talk to a lot of people, and if we can make anybody's life better, then what better than that? So it was great having you here, sir. Thank you so much for sparing your valuable time with us.
Most welcome.
Thank you
Pleasure was
so
all
much.
mine. And thank you so much for giving this opportunity. And would love to have more sessions like this feel free to connect any given point of time.
Sure,
I'm
sir.
always
Sure, sure,
available.
sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Take very good
Thank
care of yourselves. Thank you.
thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.